So guys, dito kami ngayon sa Lavender Farm, South Auckland, Caracas. Yan, ganda ng panahon. Kasama ko yung dalawang dilag. Calling out ng mga taga Pampanga dyan. Saka taga mga Aklan, Kalibo Aklan, Ibahay Aklan. Ano yung town nyo sa Pampanga, kid? Florida. Yan, sosyal. Oh. Florida, Pampanga. Oh, di ba? Oh. Guys. Woo! Tsaka ito kay Lilo dyan. Welcome to my lavender farm. Oh, laking farm nito. Guys, ito ginagawang oil, ginagawang cream, ginagawang perfume. Oh, overwhelmed na naman itong babaeng to. Hindi niya alam nung gagawin niya, nagpapanik na siya. Diba? Napakabango nitong lavender dito. Enjoy your family. Si Lolo. Daming pictorial dito. So beautiful. Ito yung lavender farm dito sa Auckland, New Zealand. Napakagandang tanawin, guys. Beautiful and so nice yung fragrance niya. Nag-i-enjoy yung mga bubuyog. Lalo na itong mga babaeng to. Nag-i-enjoy talaga. Ang lalaking mga bubuyog. So what can you say about the farm?
Smells good.
Smells good.
I like the lavender flower.
About me, do I smell good?
Yes. Oh, it's not good.
Nice.
Hala.
Oh, let me up with a bright smile on now. Put me in the dark, so won't get lost now. To the moonlight, eyes you, Maria right now. You look into my eyes and felt a feeling, and nothing got it feel like a slim night. Come on, closer, now I'm waiting for you, but don't hurry, oh slowly. Oh yeah, the moon is around us. You look into my eyes, together feel so high. To make a way the twilight, my only, my bestie. Let me name, love.
Hello, guys.
Somebody else, and that is you.
Maganda rin dun, oh. Ayan, oh, dikit-dikit yung
Falling
mga
with
lavender
you.
farm.
Not the only one doing me. You already feel it there. Give me a little more dark in the spotlight. Do I wanna know something?
Dapat yung gagalat.
You look into my